Hello, welcome back. Let's animate slides in Canva, a designing platform where there will be some page dividers in a book that will be appearing one by one to reveal something. So let's start creating one. Click on video and then click on video 1080p, and then afterwards you create the book dividers. So go to elements. Head over to shapes, click on the rectangle tool, and then you can type anything. For example, hello and welcome back, just like this. And then you can change the color of the text and the book divider. Well, let's head over to design and go to styles, and then let's look for a color palette. Alright, this will do. Alright, now this will do. So you simply resize this page divider, and then you can you can increase the font size just like this. And then you simply want to place it here, for example, just like this. And then let's add a label for the page divider. Click on text, add a heading, and then let's say if you want to type A, and then look for a font called type 210, and then you head over to this font called 210 supersize black box, just like this. And then change the color into this color, the same as this. Page divider, and then let's say if you want to put it here, for example, just like so. And then create some more page dividers by clicking on the square shape, and then you can add some text by clicking on the middle part of the square, and then you can add more labels, for example B, C, and D respectively. And then all we have to do now is to export the book dividers one by one into PNG with the transparency being enabled. First, it's the last divider. Click on share, download, and then PNG, and then tick the box for transparent background. Hold on, let's color the background white first. So click on share, download, PNG, transparent background. This is only available for Canva Pro users. Outside of that, you can always rely on any background remover websites. And then click on download when you're done. Export the remaining page dividers into PNG files with transparency being enabled. Now that you're done, head over to downloads and then upload them all. Click on uploads, back to downloads, upload them all, just like this. And then when you're done, insert the first slide, make it fit with the workspace, and then we can add some shadows, for example, edit, and then head over to shadows, pick the drop one, just like this. Okay, change the blur amount to this, and then decrease the distance, just like so. And then resize it so that it fits with the the workspace, just like this. And then you can do this for the other dividers. Now hide the text. Drag each divider using the shift key. Just like this. And then duplicate this. Right click, duplicate. And then drag the first slider to the right. Hold the shift key while you're doing so until the text is visible. That says hello and welcome back, just like this. And then duplicate it. Right click, duplicate page. For this one, let's drag this divider. Hold the shift key, just like this. Fancy. And then right click, duplicate page. For this one, drag the third divider. Hold the shift key. Fancy. And then for the last one, right click, duplicate page, and then drag this last divider, just like this. And then you're done. Well, all you have to do now is to head over to the, divider of the pages, and then go in between the pages, and then click on add transition, and then afterwards click on match and move, and then set the duration to 2.5 seconds. See how the magic happens when I click on the play button. First divider appears, hello and welcome back. Second one, this is how you can animate slides in Canva. It's easy. That's how you can animate slides in Canva, a designing platform that includes book page dividers like these. Thank you for watching, guys. It's simple and it will do so well for your presentation. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video. From me, it's good day. Ciao!